Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus, and today we're going to look upon how we fit Acts. Now, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then do me a favor. Click the like button, drop a comment, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you haven't done it yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 7 from verse 7 to verse 12. Ask for what you want, and you will get it. Look for what you want, and you will find it. Knock on the door, and it will open up for you. Because anybody we ask, we get where them are ask for. The one them we look, we find where them are look for. And the door we open for the one them we are knock. Which one of you we a father? When a boy picnic ask you for piece of bread and you take stone game. Or say ask you for one fish. You would have give him one snake. If you so wicked and still know how to go to picnic nice sitting, you not think so no father we in heaven. We give better sitting to the people them we ask him for something. So, no matter what you do, you fit treat people how you want them to treat you. This is what the law and the prophet them did mean. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.